Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing access and a backup. If your device is rooted, you get direct write access. Otherwise, use ADB. Once you pull the OB to your computer, verify package name and version so you don't break updates. Make sure to keep the original copy safe. This avoids corruption and lets you revert. Now extract the OBB archive with a tool that handles ZIP/ARB formats, so you can view the internal files and identify the assets to modify. Once extracted, locate the exact assets or libraries you need to change. Preserving directory structure matters because the game expects exact paths. You edit textures, audio, or configuration files with the right editors so formats remain valid. For binary blobs, use a hex editor and avoid altering header regions. After edits, repack the folder using the same compression algorithm and alignment options the original used. Mismatched packing can cause crashes. Make sure file ownership and permissions match the original. You finish by repacking into a valid OBB and restoring it to the device with the exact original file name and version. Otherwise, the app won't load it. Once copied via ADB or placed in /SD card /Android /OB /package, launch the app and exercise the changed areas to confirm behavior. If things go wrong, open Logcat immediately to spot missing files or signature mismatches. If you see file not found or checksum errors, revert to the backup and compare packing options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.